What's up, Queen? Jay, and today we is having some fun, y'all. Today is we going on with a prank video, prank video. And for this prank video, it's gonna be pranking my auntie because she is asleep right now. And Zanaya, that's who I'm talking about. She is sleeping. I just tried to make a video. It messed up, but so yeah. This is her right now. Her iPad. She got a little iPad right there. She also got a phone, but I record on my iPad. Well, our iPad got the same case, y'all. Let me have to show you, but I don't know how. Okay, yeah. So both of our cases are black. But anyway, y'all, this got to go there. So this prank is called making noise. So it's not actually called making noise, but making noise while auntie is sleeping. So tell me, how annoying is that? How annoying is that, y'all? Okay, y'all. So that is super annoying. So now, guys, keep y'all in my hands. I'm gonna try. See, I had this pencil sharpener right here. This pencil. Where's that water bottle? It's water bottle, and it has this little top on it, so it doesn't go out, and I'll have to blow it back up.
She just went live about it, honey. She was upset.
Okay, so you watch this videos right here. I make some with makeup. I don't know what the channel called. So I'm about to try to at the same time. Okay, y'all. Okay, ready, y'all? Right.
She was like, everybody trying to say she got raped. She was like, I didn't get raped, I was just fucked up. And she was like, I didn't want to be recorded. Like, girl, shut the fuck up. This man even said he got plenty of videos of you with him fucking, and half the time you was holding the camera.
Oh my goodness, y'all.
She said his name in that live. She said his name in that live too.
Okay, y'all. So, why?
But she was just arguing with some girl on there named Alexis Elliott.
Yo, I just freaking stepped on this water bottle. And y'all, she woke up. I ran, y'all. Oh my god. Yo, my god, yeah. Oh my god.
And moving.
That was so freaking funny. So, I was up here, sharpen the pencil, step on the water bottle. And she got it. I'm like, I stepped on this freaking water bottle.
Yeah, to me, that's the end of the record. I want to go to pictures of the record on Ocean.
Here, y'all. So, y'all didn't see because the camera was like flipped on me, my iPad. So, that was some type of thing, y'all. That was funny.
She's supposed to give you your money back if she wrong.
Okay. Yeah. This girl told me to stop, and I'm not.
Every child is different, and they say with each pregnancy it gets worse.
Yeah, comment that. Okay? Repeat this. Pranks don't stop. Because number one, pranks are lit. Number two, you can't never stop. And number three, first and foremost,
Chad, do you know who Brianna Lewis
you
is?
can't never stop. Cause they funny, they happy in number
They say this stupid ass
this one is
girl.
the
The
important.
police had pulled her boyfriend over the car. Talking about she was they said she acted a fucking fool on the north.
God, do YouTube videos. Listen, well, let me try to decide what you got today.
Her house was where they like they
The marshal is a senior at Pacifica High School and knows one of the most
she had such a fool like on saying that they arrested her too and told her we was gonna let you go.
Officials at the Orange County School first claimed the incident occurred
I
on
went to
off
school
campus
today, y'all.
banquet, and they said the situation had been
Yeah,
addressed. But
awesome.
last night, administrators reopened the
Yeah, if
investigation.
y'all didn't. Oh, I think he is. Yeah, I'm about to leave. But pranks still don't stop. But this time I gotta stop. He out here.
And now another clip has
So,
surfaced showing a student on campus draped in
bye,
Confederate
gang.
flag.
Love y'all. Peace. What is up? Subscribe. Press the
Come on.
notification bell. Bye.